How are you, sir?
Give me a few minutes, few seconds for
Yeah.
Hello.
All right. I'm okay now. Let's proceed.
Yeah. Okay. So we are from Sa-Dhan. This is an association of microfinance institutions in India, sir. So uh, we have initiated this thing called NOMNAR, which is a network of microfinance network in Asia Pacific region. And we belong to one vertical, which is called membership development and international initiatives as well. So Dr. Sehwal is the vertical head. So I am giving it to him so that he can explain a bit more. So over to you.
Anita, we already met a few, I think a few months ago or a couple of months ago.
Yeah.
So I think the introductions to the initiative can be shorter because this is our second meeting,
Yeah.
and from the first meeting it was just a short intro without any of the written details. No? So since this is a second meeting, we can proceed with a more detailed discussion on the proposal. No?
Right.
So I'm familiar with Sa-Dhan. I'm familiar with the initiative that you intend to start the NOMNAR, so we can proceed with a more detailed discussion.
Okay.
And your volume is a bit low, Sangita. I actually cannot hear you clearly.
Is it okay
Uh,
now?
Yes, it's better now, Sangita.
Yeah. So to brief you about the details and all, I am handing over to Dr. Sehwal now, so that he can. Yeah.
Also, thank you, Alan, for your time. And also, we are sorry because I had a meeting, sudden meeting from government, so I had to go there. So I had to change, reschedule this our meeting. Alan, one thing that you are already aware about the micro, this your the initiative of Nomna. So what we have done after that, this is the second meeting, yes. So what we have done after that one, we have developed uh, a TOR, a kind of partnership agreement between different countries and Nomna with Sa-Dhan and Africa. So this is a kind of consortium which we are trying to build up. We have developed a very non-binding, pure non-financial agreement, a kind of POR between different countries, different associations. So what we want intend to do, we have already sent to I think 4 countries. They are taking it forward with decision making authorities, and we want to send that one to you. It is basically what we will be doing and what kind of partnership we are looking forward. It is generally your knowledge building and knowledge sharing. Second, capacity building. Third, your fundraising, joint fundraising and policy analysis, policy influencing in different countries. Southern being an old institution, we have some, definitely we have some expertise in that one, and also the other associations, they have expertise on these all these areas. So how to bring this one and how can, so on the basis of that one, we have developed this your EOR. So we want to send it. Before sending it, we wanted to have a very brief interaction with you that you need to take it to understand the whole system of Philippines microfinance. So if you have to if you have to sign on any agreement, you have to take it to your board, right?
Sorry, can you repeat that last sentence?
Yeah. If you have to sign on something, agreement or something, do you need to take it to your board?
Yeah, of course. This will be definitely be subject for discussion by our board members. But I am reading through the policy note. Sorry, not the policy note, but the nominal note that was sent by Sangita.
Sangeeta. Right.
A few questions, and
Right.
this will be uh, this will definitely be asked by
Board.
our board, no? So
Hmm.
of course, in principle, this is a good idea, but um, uh, whenever you start a network, the sustainability side should already be thought about, right? So of
Right.
course, you mentioned here membership dues to be charged to the networks that are members of the association. But I suggest that initially, uh, a cost estimate of how to run the association should already be included. So there will be an idea by us, for example, by MCPI or other networks to know uh, what what amount will it take to run a basic association, at least for the very few years. And so we must keep in mind that sustainability should be included in uh, in these notes, in these initiatives. No, we don't want the initiative to be
Dry
fully
up.
reliant on donor funding. Maybe Papraka is providing initial funds. I'm not sure. It was not included in the note. But for us to move this forward, I think the sustainability component should be included. No, of course, we've seen many of these types of networks falter in the past, and we don't want that to happen, and we want to be part of a network that will not only be existing because of funding from external funds but also internally generated funds, no? So yes, membership dues, and probably can also include the with the discussions on with other networks on what level of annual dues they are willing to pay initially, and that will feed into the sustainability component.
Thank you, Alan. I mean, I really appreciate your point, and we are happy to hear that one, that your progressive thinking. Uh, what happens that at this point of time, what we are trying to do, we are trying to build up an agreement, principal agreement for this movement. Now, once we agree on this one that we will be going for this, then what will happen? We will take to the second level. Now, in the second level, what we intend to do, we would like to invite you in our national conference. Have you ever been participated in our national conference?
Sorry, what? Sorry, you're a bit
So
chopped.
what? Yeah. So what we intend to do, we intend to. I mean, first we want a kind of agreement between the institutions, like that. Yes, we want to go ahead. That's why this your or this um, agreement that we have sent, it is mostly non-financial. So in the second level, what we want to do, we want intend to invite you all people in our national conference.
Of
and
Sa-Dhan.
of
Of
Sa-Dhan,
Sa-Dhan
yes.
or the proposed
Now,
NOMNAR?
the Sa-Dhan conference, and where
Mm.
all these participants will invite all the nominal participants, means partner countries in that event. Last year we have done the same thing, and they participated, and we had a meeting. In that meeting, we will be proposing the budget, and all these people, all the institution representative would be there, and they will help us that whether that budget is agreeable or not. So this is how
I see, I
we
see.
want to.
Yeah, yes,
We,
I understand
we want to take
uh,
a step ahead, a step ahead, a step ahead, and in between, what we will do, we will try to organize some webinar and all those stuff for all our countries, participant countries. We will be doing that one. So all these non-financial things will be there. So this is how we
okay,
want to
okay,
intend to.
okay.
Yeah, we intend to take it. In between, we will develop the budget. We will send it to all the people. Then we will have an agreement, and we will have the final presentation in our national conference. And in our national conference means it is also a mini meeting of Nomnar. Last year we have done. So this is how it works.
Okay, okay. So it would be good to include that also in the note, that this is
So in the mail we
the
can
proposed
in in
process.
the mail we can in the mail we can definitely write that one.
Yes, yes. And I think it will be very important to
Agree,
include uh something about sustainability
agree,
in the note, or even in the MOU, yeah.
agree.
So
Were you there in our this one presentation being done by Microsave?
sorry, can you repeat that, Saibal?
One presentation was done by Microsave. Were
Okay.
you there? Were you there?
No, no. What
Acha, acha.
presentation? I don't
It,
understand.
acha, the presentation is on Nomnar, that how can we further the cause of Nomnar? How can we structure everything? So we have that presentation, but it is not that we have to accept that one. We can discuss on it, but all the members, they told that it's a very good presentation, we can take it forward, but it is not that you may suggest something new, you may also alter something, but we can send that presentation to you. But even before, what we intend to do is a kind of this principal agreement that we will be part of this movement,
Okay,
because this
okay.
is very much necessary to start the work. We have organized one or two events already, one physical, another one is your virtual on green financing. So we can do that one. Like if you take it to a board, if you get a principal approval from them, then it will be very, I mean, we can take it forward to the next level. Most of our countries, they have told principally they have agreed, but they're yet to revert to our office with signed document. But in case, but they have
Okay.
agreed. I mean, verbally, they have all of them. They have agreed to our proposal, because this initiative is very much necessary.
Okay, okay. So from our end, Saibal, I can say that I will have this discussed during our next board meeting scheduled on June 25.
Perfectly fine.
So yeah, yeah. So if you intend to make any changes to the MOU that was sent by Sangita, just let me know before that
No,
scheduled date.
we don't,
Again,
because this is the basic this your what do you call this basic document. We have sent this document to all the countries.
okay, okay. So you don't intend to
No, no, no.
advise
I mean, then
anything.
if we change for you, then the other people, they will think that "Arey, what has happened, the different agreements." So we want a very modest, very non-binding agreement between us, and we start to roll on the activities and other. Then gradually we'll structure everything.
Okay, that's clear. So from our end, I will be able to say that in principle we agree to this initiative, and I will have this discussed during our next board meeting.
Right. And we need to get a signature of yours if you agree on this thing. this
Yeah,
your
yeah. So that would
proposal
come after the June
board
25
meeting.
board
Yes,
meeting.
yes, very much. Very much.
Okay, sounds good.
Yep, sounds good. But
But I also have a quick comment on the structure of the association. So you mentioned here that the board can be a maximum of 15. For me, even if that's only a maximum, 15 will be too many a board member. No? So uh,
yes, we can always modify that one. We can always modify that one. After this, we will start developing the rules and regulations of the association. In that one, we can always take a stand on it. That how many can be. Again, one thing that when we are starting something, then if we don't involve, because this is the starting, right? So if we don't involve in the decision making, then people may think they have been left out. So this is why we have put like that.
yeah, but still, it's 15 is
I
too many.
agree. Agree. Agree.
Imagine getting the common schedule of 15 people. Oh, that would be a big headache.
I totally agree. But this is our stand. Like stand means this is our understanding that in this initiative, this year initial phase, if we are not getting everyone onboarded, then we will decide that how many to keep in the board. Then nobody will feel left out, right? This is where we stand.
Yeah, yeah. So apart from that, I think in the sustainability comment in the number of board, I don't have any more additional questions as of now.
Okay.
I do have one because that will be also be one of the critical points. So if Nomnar will be based in Sa-Dhan, will it be a formally registered institution or will be an informal institution? So you don't have
Eh,
to answer that immediately.
Right.
But will it be a
No, no, that's a
non-profit
very
based in
that,
India?
that's
So yeah, those are the
That's
things
a
that.
very valid question. Very valid question. So at this point of time, we have an understanding with Africa that it will be hosted in Sa-Dhan and its New Delhi office, and there will be some cost sharing. That means not really very stronger one because before that we want to get the intention and approval of our partner countries who are in this Asia Pacific region.
Okay, okay. So yeah, that's it. Saibal, I don't have any
Okay,
additional questions. So I'll get
okay,
back to you and Sangita after our board meeting.
okay. Thank you very much, Alan, for your time.
Yeah,
Thank
sure,
you,
sure.
Sangeeta.
Thank, thank you, sir. Have I
But
sent you?
Alan, one thing that if you can send us your WhatsApp number, then it would be good for us. We want to bring together all the partners in one WhatsApp group.
Okay, I'll send it now to Sangita
Oh,
Okay, thank you.
to through email.
okay.
Okay,
Perfectly fine.
okay,
Thank
sir.
you
Okay,
very much.
I'll send it after our call.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you very
Okay.
much.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much.
Thank you.
Bye
Thank you,
bye.
sir.
Have a nice
Bye.
weekend.
Bye.
Same here.